Are you going to allow Lorene maging beauty queen din?
Well, if they want, it must come from them. Yung mga bata ngayon, hindi na dapat pilitin eh. Kung manggaling sa kanya, I want to be, let's say, a beauty queen, I would say, okay, sige, I'll push her to the right direction. Pero sa tingin ko ngayon, ayaw niya. Lorene wants to get into law, and Venice wants to sing. I don't know where she got her voice. Definitely not from me.
Totoo.
Oo, kasi hindi ako marunong kumanta.
Magaling kumanta si
Magaling
Venice?
kumanta si Venice. So baka sa tatay niya, yung hidden talent ng tatay niya. Or maybe my dad. But, yeah, parang walang gusto mag-beauty queen sa kanila.
Totoo.
Oo, sabi ko nga dapat mag-beauty queen na lang kayo. No, mommy.
Really? Are they also tall?
I'm the tallest because I'm
okay.
5'10".
Oo.
I think the girls have to, I think hindi pa sila tapos mag-spurt.
Mag-spurt, oo. Si Ilmas kasi how tall was he?
6.
Oh,
Pero
tatangkad pa yan.
Baka tatangkad pa
Tatangkad
sila.
pa yan. Pwede talagang pang beauty queen.
Yeah.
So you're just allowing them. Ganun ka pala talagang klaseng
I
nanay.
think it's okay kasi marami yung pagiging beauty queen ko, it opened a lot of opportunities for me. And I was able to see the world. So I think if it did well for me, bakit pipigilan ko naman yung mga anak ko?
Correct.
So for me, whatever they desire, whatever they want to do in life, I should support them.
Well, because you won. You know what I mean? I mean, you won. Sometimes rejection, masakit, ha?
Masakit. At
Hindi
saka
ka
ngayon nowadays, di ba, pag natatalo, paulit-ulit silang sumasali hanggang sa nananalo sila. Back then, parang pag natalo ka, hindi na sila sumasali.
Oo.
Nauso lang naman yun lately. But, I think rejection is a form of growing, di ba? Kung there are ups and downs in life, and if ever they get rejected, then they just stand up again and do their own thing again. Start all over again.
Okay. So you're not scared na masaktan sila. Siyempre, kasama yun, ano?
Kasama yun sa buhay. Masasaktan talaga sila. Kung hindi man ngayon, sa pag-ibig, I'm sure masasaktan din sila.
Oo,
Lahat naman
totoo.
tayo nasasaktan sa pag-ibig, di
Oo.
ba?
Nako, wala pa bang mga umaali-aligid dyan?
Nako, lumalabas ang pagka-Annabelle Rama ko.
Oo, totoo ba?
I think so. But I think with the children now, you have to put them in a position that they're surrounded by the people you want them to associate themselves with, di ba? So, yun. I think Lorene met someone in the library, nanliligaw sa kanya. So sabi ko, ay nerd, tama yan. At least pwede kang tulungan sa pag-aaral.
Oo.
Di ba ganun? Si Venice naman, parang wala pa sa utak niya yung boys.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So, wow, library.
Library,
Kesa
diba?
naman club, di ba?
Oo naman. Wag na sa club.
Oo,
Hindi
pwede
sila
rin.
mahilig.
Correct, correct.